A rubber plant was distributed to common people of Dinamoni village of Julaibari, East Pilak area on Tuesday. On that day, a total of 450 rubber plants was distributed to 71 farmers of the area. The RPC chairman Patalkanya Jamatia attended the event as a chief guest. Rubber and agar tree is a way of earning for numbers of common people of the state, which is why, to increase the earning level of the common people, this year a total of 50,000 agar tree, 3,661 families will be given rubber tree and 200 families will be given a bamboo plants. This decision has been taken by TRPC. And looking on to this decision, on Tuesday, a rubber plant was distributed at the area. On that day, a total of 450 rubber plants was distributed to 71 farmers of the area. The RPC chairman Patalkanya Jamatia attended the event as a chief guest.
Second time, unis 19 September, second time, sing tabo purbo pilago phayi, singoro plantation khale tungo, nok phangibo mungkha, setu mok. Sing foyo ke nukha kila block ni andaro, doel santi, mol somni nukungo kalemeni, tabo sing setu mok bisinti khananai, je neng tini rubber besamanai barabar plantation khajagai nini khao bahai matongkha bom ting jakha. Sing joto ni beskango kokisa saikhnali.
Aku bale hamjakha aroto asa thaliba.
Nang ni
rubber mama ni bisinti tamu nini tamu o rubber ni bisinti teman-teman ni nukungo hamari penya. Rubber mama ni bai ni nukungo tama hamari penya. Bangladesh bolo. Oh bolo sodi na poro. To mok basa dia bolo.
The RPC chairman Patalkanya Jamatia has handed over 450 rubber plants to 71 farmers of the East Pilak area. The program was attended by South Zone TRPC Deputy Manager Subroto Das, Social Worker Kavita Jamatia and others. Reported by Amit from Pilak, Chini Khorang.